All right, here we are on Skyline on 18, and I just hit this beautiful golf shot into this hole, back location, and here I made a ball mark. So here's my ball, getting ready to hit my putt. Before I do that, I am going to fix my ball mark, and I'm gonna try to do that properly. So I'm gonna start on the edges here, kind of pull up the sides, trying to get it all fixed best we can so it can heal. When I do this properly, tap it down, usually with my putter or my foot, making sure it's all smooth again, so the next player that arrives here obviously can putt over this hole and have a nice smooth putt. If I don't fix that ball mark and I just leave it like this ball mark, you see it didn't get fixed, that's what it's going to look like for the next 20 days until it heals on its own. Now if I don't have my pitch fix or a ball mark, right, you could always use a tee as well. Just be careful once again to not enter the middle of the hole. Let's enter from the side. We're going to kind of pull up from the edges, you know, trying to get it all to kind of work together around the edges. A little tougher with a tee, but you can still do a pretty good job. Try not to hurt the roots. And then once again, tap it down when you're done. And once again, that'll give that chance for it to heal. So instead of waiting 21 days for this to heal, it might heal in 3-4 days.